Uh-oh. What are you doing? You want to have me open my box? Hey everybody, it's Angie. Welcome back to my channel. I received a box in the mail a couple days ago and I didn't have time to film a video, but this box is haunting me. I'm so excited for it. It's the most excited I've ever been for a makeup release. And of course, I'm gonna show you what's in the box, but let me give you a little tease first because, you know, why not? It's fun. Oh, did you see that? And what's in this box is someone's dreams coming true, and I cannot be more excited. And of course, I'm talking about Made You Look. We all know her. We all love her. She is an absolute joy of a human being and a light in this community, a light on Twitch, a light on TikTok, a light on Instagram, YouTube, you name it. The girl works hard, and I'm so proud of her, and I'm so happy for her and her family and everybody else involved in this. I think this is wonderfully splendid, and I'm just excited to share it with you guys because I love seeing really happy things like this happen. So I'm going to show you the collection. If I didn't mention exactly what the collection is, it is a line of body paints, and it's really crazy because I threw away most of my body paints this year. So to have this fresh new collection, I'm very excited because now I can do some body painting and some face painting and some painting tutorials and things on my channel, and I'm excited and I'm proud and I'm happy for her. So let's get into the box. I can't show you like the front of the box because addresses and things are on there and I don't want to dox myself. So let's see how to open it. It's a large box. It is large, Lex. And I'm gonna need scissors. Time for some ASMR. Let's cut this baby. Not very satisfying ASMR. Come on, Angie, get it together. Oh, there. Okay. What I think is absolutely amazing is that this is kind of like a family thing. Like her mom, and her gram pack all the orders. I love that. I love that. With my Etsy, I do the same thing. I pack my orders all myself, and it's like a labor of love, and it's like the coolest because you get to put your hands on things that go to people like that support you and that are amazing. So, oh, ooh, 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 ooh. Anticipation. Wow. I'm gonna sing for y'all now. Oh my god! Ah! Oh my god! Okay, I'm so excited. I'm gonna cry. Wow. Oh my gracious. She has painted a palette. And my name's on it, and it is stunning. Holy cow. This is going on the wall. This is gorgeous. Like the thoughtfulness, the love, like wow. Thank you, darling. That is beautiful. So she has included brushes, and you guys know if you watch any of my videos, any of these blue handled brushes are all Lex's brushes. I think they're phenomenal and beautifully made. Let me grab one to show you. Got this nice beautiful ombre blue to black with her logo. She also has like the scrubbers where you can clean your brushes. I use that every time I wash my brushes. And we've got the fun, the goody packing, and a card. And now we have the paints in this bag. I think she's selling the collection. I think she's kind of sold out of basically everything already, but she will restock, I believe, in November, December. I don't know, but ooh, so beautiful. Look at that logo, baby girl. That's amazing. I just read the card and it's so freaking sweet. So pardon the tears, but let's get into the paints. She has released 8 to begin with, and 3 of them I think are the Halloween pack. I hope she keeps those colors because they're essential colors. I'm very impressed that she's released 8. That is incredible. And I think she sold out pretty fast. But if you follow her like on our socials and stuff, you can see whenever she updates and releases new stuff. So I think it's going to be in December, if I'm not mistaken. But let's get into the paints. First of all, the packaging is amazing. It is straight up Lex. I can see her in this. And if you'll notice, all of the characters and creatures and makeups that Lex has done, her logo, just really, really phenomenal job on packaging. So right off the bat, it says cruelty free. Hello, let's not test on animals anymore. It's absolutely unnecessary. And fragrance free, which I totally respect because I don't like fragrances in skincare, let alone makeup. It's an irritant. So I don't understand why it's put there. I mean, I guess for the luxury aspect of things, but fragrance free is great. So it's also made in the US, which is awesome. And yeah, let's open this one. This one is called Cherry. It is her red, cherry red. Makes me want to sing crybaby songs. There she is, there she is, there she is. That is a nice red. It's kind of like red lipstick, you know? You want a really nice red. This one is it. So, fragrance free. Gotta love that. I don't know if you can see the texture. I don't think texture really matters in a body paint, but here it is. There she is. Cherry. 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 Okay, now we have Sunflower. I love that. I love that name. Golden yellow. Gorgina. It's a little more orange than the camera is showing. But Gorgina? Gorgina. And like all face paints, you can mix these colors. You can use your color theory to make basically any color that you want, as long as you have the primaries. So now we have the blue, and I'm gonna be harsh on blue because blue is my favorite color. Okay, Neptune. And this is looking pretty gorgeous, I will say. That's beautiful. Just can we take several minutes? Ugh, I'm gonna put that all over my face. Zoom. Okay. This looks like the black. Let's see. I should have opened all the boxes, but we can do some ASMR. I don't know why I'm on such an ASMR kick, but here we go. I don't know. I love it. All right. So this is ink. This is the black. This is the black, you guys. I gotta start whispering. Black is hard in body paints. So there she go. There she go. There she is. I cannot wait to try the black and the white. I think once you find a good black and white, it's over. Here we are now with the white. The ones I've showed up to this point are the primary pack, I believe. Show. Oh, ASMR. I'm so weird. I'm sorry. You know you guys have missed the weirdness. Anyway, it is called Yeti. That's so cute. What? It's my skin tone. Oh my god. But no. All right. So these 5 are the primary packs. Which, I don't know if I can hold them. Look, 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 look. Oh my god, this is so freaking exciting. Just so excited. Can you tell I'm excited? Did you know I'm excited? Okay. So these are the Halloween colors she released fairly recently. Let's see if we can... Why didn't I open the boxes? Oh my gosh, okay. Now we've got Oak, which I am assuming is kind of a taupey gray woodish color. And voila! That looks so nice. So, so nice. And you know, a brown is essential. If you watch my last videos, I was like going through color theory about mixing colors, and I always add a little brown, especially if I'm doing a pale skin. because it warms it up and takes away that ashiness. Next up, vampire. Oh, vampire. Oh, that's so yummy. Ooh. Warm, dark, deep burgundy. Let's compare that to oak, just so y'all can see. Oh, yeah, okay. See the difference? So great doing like a wolf creature with this. Ugh. Okay. So next up we have the ivory, which is called Bone Tone. Very cool. Bone Daddy. Back when I started my skull series and was just basically painting skulls on my face every day, I never had an ivory. And once I finally figured out to make Bones ivory, it changed me. Like, it elevated kind of my work, because I wasn't just be like stark white, shade with black. But I think ivory is actually a very essential color in face painting, because not all highlights are going to be white, and not all colors mixed with white are going to give you a nice color. Like ivory, when you have a warm color, if you mix this in with, say, a yellow, it will make a pastel. Instead of like a stark pastel white, it will be like a warm pastel white. So I love that. So there we have those three. Definitely amazing for character design and creature design. Those colors are phenomenal. Okay, everybody, I'm not going to make this video that much longer. I just wanted to share my sheer absolute joy at opening this box. I am beyond the moon, thrilled, excited, and happy for Lex. I really want to hug you and like jump up and down in joy for you, because you deserve this. You really, really do. You're one of the hardest working people I've ever met, and it's so inspiring to see you shine and to see your light just radiate into the world. I can assure you I'll be making tutorials with these and showing them in action. I think I might be able to do one for Halloween, in time for Halloween. I just can't wait to play and share with you guys. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Lex, for putting me on your PR. That's just, it's such an honor, and I appreciate it, and I'm proud of you, and it's a beautiful line. And now I'm gonna go hug my plaque for an hour in the corner and just rock slowly, because I'm so happy. Links for Lex and everything will be below. Thank you guys for watching. Take care, and I'll see you soon.